Thank you for visiting. Now onto the show. Lovely 4-bedroom 2-bath home with lakefront views, located in the Tuscany Woods Development. The home was built in 2016 and the owner upgraded the home by replacing the carpet with tile in all the bedrooms and living room and added ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. The Samsung refrigerator was also an upgrade from the appliance offered by the builder. The oversized master bedroom suite includes a walk-in closet and a huge master bathroom with a double vanity, shower and jetted tub. The quiet community includes a community pool, clubhouse and children's playground and is close to LPGA Blvd, Tanger Outlet Mall and I-95.